Want to know how to make $10,000 by helping content creators? I'm going to break down the 3 main components you need to focus on in order to make $10,000 a month as a student. The first step is identify the problem. Big content creators struggle with time and can't create fresh content for every platform. Next, step 2. Reach out to creators by finding YouTubers or influencers and sending them a DM offering your services. For example, you can say, "I'll turn your 1-hour video into 15 high-quality reels," or "I'll convert your long-form videos into newsletter scripts and Twitter threads." The step 3 is automate their content. To turn a 1-hour video into 15 high-quality reels, you can use a powerful tool like Opus Clip. This AI-based tool helps you automatically extract the most engaging moments from long-form videos and repurpose them into short-form, attention-grabbing reels. This is how you can earn $10,000 by creating short-form reels. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.